Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: how touch can impact arousal. We'll focus on 3 specific areas of the body that can significantly affect arousal. Ready to learn more? Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. The human body is incredibly sensitive, and knowing how touch influences arousal can improve intimacy and communication in relationships. We'll look at 3 key areas of the body and their effects on sexual arousal. Remember, consent and mutual comfort are crucial in all interactions. Arousal is influenced by physical, emotional, and psychological factors. Understanding these sensitive areas can enhance the experience. Let's explore them together. Number 1, the neck. First up is the neck, a sensitive area that many people find incredibly pleasurable. The skin here is very delicate and full of nerve endings, so it's super sensitive to touch. Gentle kisses, soft strokes, or even just a light touch can make this area feel amazing and create a feeling of intimacy. The neck is often seen as an erogenous zone because it's linked to feelings of trust and closeness. Light touches or whispers near the neck can lead to both physical and emotional reactions, making it a great spot to start building excitement. The neck's sensitivity, along with its closeness to other sensitive areas like the ears and collarbone, makes it perfect for this. Number 2, the inner wrist. Let's talk about the inner wrist, an area that might surprise you with its sensitivity. The skin here is thin and delicate, making it highly responsive to touch. Even a gentle caress or a soft kiss can provoke a strong reaction. Although often overlooked, the inner wrist is incredibly effective for creating arousal. This sensitivity is due to the many nerve endings in this area, combined with its inherent vulnerability. Touching the inner wrist can also foster a sense of intimacy and trust, enhancing the overall experience. It's a subtle but powerful way to connect and show affection. Number 3, the inner thigh. The inner thigh is known for being very sensitive and a key erogenous zone. The skin here is soft and can respond strongly to gentle touches, which can really boost arousal. Since it's close to other sensitive areas, it often gets stimulated indirectly during foreplay. Light touches on the inner thigh can create excitement and anticipation because it has a lot of nerve endings. This area is not only pleasurable, but also adds to the intimacy of the experience. Understanding these sensitive areas can really help improve intimacy and communication in relationships. But remember, everyone is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. Communication is crucial. Make sure any touch is consensual and respectful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments. How do you enhance intimacy and connection in your relationships? Share with us. Remember, understanding each other's needs and preferences can make relationships more fulfilling and respectful.